A founder recently ran an audit on her marketing setup. By every traditional metric, her search engine optimization was flawless. She had the page 1 rankings, a pristine backlink profile, and a stream of optimized content. Then she tested a different channel. She typed her ideal customer's exact question into ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Google Gemini. Her product didn't appear in a single response. 3 competitors did show up. None of them were category leaders. None of them had her impressive organic traffic or domain authority. This chart shows the correlation between top Google results and AI citations over time. In mid-2025, 76% of Google's AI citations pulled directly from its top 10 search results. By early 2026, that overlap had collapsed to between 17 and 38%. High placement on traditional search engines no longer guarantees that your market or your ideal buyers can actually see you. Surviving this divergence requires mastering a completely separate discipline, generative engine optimization, or GEO. SEO and GEO operate on disconnected hierarchies. They target separate platforms and grade your website using different signals. Traditional search logic is about signaling relevance to a crawler. You build authority through keywords, dense self-hosted content, and inbound links to rank your specific page. GEO focuses on a different outcome entirely. The objective is to earn a citation inside a synthesized answer generated by an AI model. These AI platforms carry a heavy bias against self-promotion. They treat a company's own website cautiously because citing a vendor about its own product carries a high risk of bias. This Venn diagram compares the source data pools for ChatGPT and Perplexity. Despite both being massive AI models, just 11% of domains are cited by both platforms. To find credible answers, these systems lean heavily on third-party validation. Wikipedia dominates ChatGPT citations. Reddit drives nearly half, 46.7%, of Perplexity's top citations, and LinkedIn is the primary source for professional queries. Because of this reliance on external validation, brands are cited 6.5 times more often through these third-party platforms than through their own domains. Artificial intelligence platforms aren't evaluating relevance like Google does. They are synthesis engines, validating facts by looking for independent consensus instead of self-published claims. Even if a brand has excellent third-party validation and highly structured content, AI systems might still fail to see it because of hidden technical barriers. First, about 34% of software companies are accidentally blocking AI crawlers. They rely on outdated rules in their robots.txt files, the code that tells bots where they are allowed to navigate, locking out systems like GPT-bot entirely. This diagram compares a fully rendered web page with an empty wireframe. Roughly 70% of modern websites use client-side JavaScript to load their content, a script execution that AI crawlers simply cannot perform. Because the crawlers cannot run the scripts, they look at crucial product descriptions and comparison tables and see entirely empty containers. This bar chart measures AI citation frequency against page load times. Pages loading in under 0.4 seconds secure an average of 6.7 AI citations. But if that load time creeps above 1.13 seconds, those average citations collapse to just 2.1. If a website fails to clear these technical hurdles, no amount of strategic messaging or third-party validation will make it visible to an AI engine. Traditional search optimization strategies remain highly relevant. The domain credibility and inbound link authority built through SEO act as foundational trust signals that AI platforms still rely on. GEO requires an act-as parallel track of effort. To run both successfully, marketing teams have to implement a specific diagnostic routine. The immediate technical fix involves auditing the robots.txt file to remove any crawler blocks and then disabling JavaScript in a web browser to verify exactly what the AI bot sees when it scans a page. Strategically, teams need to test their baseline visibility by asking ChatGPT and Perplexity direct questions about their category, while actively building their presence on third-party review platforms like G2 or Capterra. The window to adapt is narrowing. Over half of business-to-business buyers now start their software research using AI chatbots instead of traditional search engines. Modern buyers are generating their shortlists before they ever click on a company website. Ignoring the GEO scorecard guarantees losing the customer before you even know they are looking.